July 3rd, 2023. So then I got a call from a new customer, I believe. He's got no AC. And he called me a couple of days ago and told him I could go by there over the weekend or Monday, which would be, less money over the weekends, time and a half or whatever. So a lot of people don't want to pay the money. I usually don't hit them for time and a half. I usually maybe like $125 an hour during the week and $160 on Saturday or Sunday, $180. So, I mean, it's more money. This way here, I got people ain't calling me all weekend, just be out all weekend working because they're too cheap to, they don't want to take time out of work or whatever. I mean, it's not my issue. They want me to go there on the weekend. They want to work weekends. They want to get paid extra also. So. Anyway, we're going to go over there. It's no AC. He's got it off. And we'll figure out what's going on with it and try to fix it. Hopefully it's nothing major. Beautiful area here. Capacitor. This is the one. Hear it? It's a capacitor. So capacitor's bad. You can hear it trying to start. It's a name. I want to start, but it won't start. We should have this in the truck. The capacitor's bad. You want to turn it on, you can hear it. Listen.
Oh.
Hear it?
Yeah.
Listen. Hear it try to start?
Yeah.
The capacitor's bad. So that's an easy fix. Supposedly. Ooh, that thing's
nothing's easy. But I'll go get filters this afternoon.
Yeah, you gotta start doing the filters, guy, because you're gonna have issues and you're gonna.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not rocket science, right?
Yeah.
You gotta maintain this stuff. Just you want to pay a guy like me to do it, and I mean, why would you do that when
I can do it. And
you need to stay up on this shit?
I think I remember reading too, like you don't want the really high-end ones.
No, I told you that. No, you don't want. You want the cheapies.
Yeah.
Because you need the airflow. The problem is, everybody in my area they don't size the air conditioning properly. They don't size it the way it should be sized. A return should have twice as much airflow as a supply to do it right. So what they do is they take the CFMs on a supply and they figure that duct can put out that many CFMs, so that's what they put on the return. But it's only half of what you should have. So now you go and put the expensive filters in there,
right, and
you're choking it down even more.
Yeah.
So there's always, I've never seen anybody up here do it right. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's the truth. Yeah, the capacitor's bad for sure.
Do you need me to turn off?
Nope. You can see it's really puffy. You can see the whole thing's puffy. Take a look at it. See how it's puffy? It's supposed to be flat. I know it's bad just by the sounds of it.
Yeah.
It's definitely an issue. Are you still working or are you retired?
Yeah, still working.
And kind of enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
That's the way I am with my job. I enjoy doing it, so I continue.
Yeah. Well, what is it they say? If you love your job, you never work a day in your life.
That's kind of true, huh?
Yeah.
I guess your wife hasn't kicked you out. You're still here.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm lucky.
Yeah. Funny.
As long as we have air conditioning.
Yeah, see how puffy it is?
Yeah.
It's not.
So what does it mean? Is there like water or something in it, or just?
No, this is the deal. It's like oil in there.
Yeah.
So what happens is, see what size it is. Should say it on there. If I can read it. We know the fans are 3 because this is a Ruud unit. We just have to get the size of the compressor. See, a lot of times it's on the nameplate. This thing even has a nameplate. It's all worn. Yeah, we gotta find out what size it is, because it makes a big difference, you know. You should see it on the compressor. If we can see it. That's all flipping worn out too. Crazy. Everything's flipping worn out. Capacitors are 50. It's a run capacitors are 50. It says it right there. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh,
see
yeah.
It? 50. So it's a 50-3. See it?
Yeah. You guessed it was a 3.
Well, the fans are 3.
Oh.
Because this style's a 3, but it's a 50-3. So let me see if I can. I need a 50-3, which I know. I got some Ruud stuff in here. Down the bottom, I got some Ruud stuff with a 3 capacitor on it. Here we go. Look at that shit. 50-3. That's the size we need. That's the one. Genuine parts. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Yeah, I don't use a lot of, I don't keep a lot of them Ruud ones around, but I got it. Ruud's nest in it last time I was here. Just wondering. There's some kind of flipping nest in there again. That fits in there. It should fit right in the slot. That's why you gotta get the Ruud ones, because they're the right size. Alright. The fan is the brown. That's the fan. Wow. Flipping thing is really corroded. The brown is the fan. The fan would be a two-pronger. See the two-pronger? That's a fan. That's the fan. The compressor is purple. That's a 3-pronger. She's on there, man. She's flipping on there, mama. Crazy. Might have to put another connector on there if I have to. I don't know. We'll get that over there, fucker. Oh. Wow. She's on there. Wow. Opening up on the back or something. It's corroded in there, fucker. There it comes. Ah. That's the compressor. Purple. Alright. That should go on the 3-pronger, which is the Herm. I gotta make sure that's tight. I worked for this guy before. No, it's not on there right. It's gotta be on there right. Oh, what the fuck? She's on there tight now, Mama. She's on there tight. And then the common would be the 4-pronger. That's the purple ones. The orange ones are the orange ones are common. Look at these flipping things are on there, man. You can see she's a puffy one. It's like my eyes in the morning. Puffy. Alright, I'll put a couple of screws in there. She's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. That should hold it in, the screws. I could fire it up, and it should fire up. He's got to start changing the filters at this house. I told him he's got to maintain that, keep up with it. Alright. Ready? Here comes the rain. There comes the rain, Mama. These are actually good units. I kind of really like these. They don't make them anymore. Too bad. They always stop making a good thing. It's starting to rain. It's not good for my other calls. Out nice and hot here, so that's good. If it wasn't coming out hot here, I'd be kind of concerned about the charge. See how she's already getting sweaty? So it's nice and warm coming out. That's what we want. It's not really that hot out yet, but charge is going to be fine. See how she's already getting cold and sweaty? That's what we want.